Penne alla vodka is a traditional pasta dish found in many fine restaurants that you can recreate in your own kitchen, and that will rival the most acclaimed eating establishments.
Watch this episode to see how it's done.
Hi, this is Connie, with another quick and truly tasty pasta recipe that always gets raves.
And this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe.
Today we're going to cook a pasta dish. It will rival the best of restaurants. Here are the basic ingredients we'll need. Extra virgin olive oil, 1 medium sweet onion, fresh garlic, tomato paste, 1 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes, red pepper flake, kosher salt, coarse black pepper, heavy cream, a little bit of vodka, fresh basil, and Parmigiana cheese.
You can review them again later in the Show More section below. Let's get started.
A good practice for successful cooking is to do as much prep work as possible before starting to bring the ingredients together.
It reduces a lot of the stress of timing the stages of the recipe and possibly ruining the dish. The first step is to take a medium-sized sweet onion and coarsely chop it. We use a sweet variety of onions for 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is the less acidic nature of sweet onions. Sweet onions have an absence of a high amount of sulfur as other types do. And second, they break down more slowly during cooking, and have more moisture, which helps to avoid the bitter taste that the other varieties have.
They also contain more sugar, which results in a caramelization that is perfect for this type of dish.
Next, we'll coarsely chop 4 to 5 cloves of fresh garlic. Avoid using any green shoots. They're another source of bitterness.
Take a moment to subscribe to our Quick Recipe channel and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you.
While you have the cutting board out, julienne the fresh basil that will be used for garnishing when we plate the pasta. Unlike some of the recipes for penne alla vodka, don't bother draining the liquid of the San Marzano tomatoes. Just blend the entire 28-ounce can of tomatoes in a food processor with the smallest blade available, or use a plunge blender as we are.
You basically just want to break down the tomatoes until they are of an even consistency.
Preheat a good-sized pan under medium heat, then add enough extra virgin olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Once the oil is brought up to heat, add the onions. We're going to lower the heat to low-medium and continue to sauté the onions until soft, with a hint of caramelization. Once the onion cooks up, then add your garlic. It's important to allow the garlic to soften, but not burn. We don't want it to become bitter.
Connie, that's some aroma.
When the garlic reaches its desired softness, add the half teaspoon of red pepper flake, a half tablespoon of kosher salt, and a half tablespoon of ground black pepper. Give it a good mix, and then add the 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now add your blended San Marzanos. Make sure not to use a metal spoon, so to prevent any transfer of a metallic taste to the sauce. To bring out the rich flavor of the tomatoes, we're going to let the sauce simmer on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. During that time we should prepare the water for cooking the penne.
The rule of thumb for salt when cooking pasta is 2 tablespoons of salt for every quart of water. That's 1/2 cup of salt per gallon.
Don't forget to stir the pasta occasionally to prevent it from sticking together. We're going to cook the penne about a minute short of being completely cooked. We'll finish off cooking the pasta when we add it to the sauce. Look how beautifully the sauce has reduced. That's when we introduce the 12 ounces of heavy cream. Remember to use a lower heat setting that will keep the sauce warm while preventing the cream from scalding. Continuously stir the cream into the sauce so that it heats evenly and thoroughly marries with the tomatoes. Now stir in the 1/4 cup of vodka. We want to add the penne straight from the pot into the vodka sauce. Make sure that the penne is thoroughly mixed into the sauce. Don't forget, we're finishing the cooking of the pasta, as well as coating it with that beautifully flavorful sauce.
Now it's time to plate our penne alla vodka.
What does it taste like? It's creamy and silky smooth on the tongue, with a perfect blend of sweetness from the heavy cream, and a bit of acid from the San Marzanos. To finish the dish off, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Followed up with fresh julienne basil. And a good sprinkle of grated Parmigiana cheese.
Wow! That looks and smells incredible.
Bon appétit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, acclaimed.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.